Going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Alright, so as discussed in the previous video, only way Bitcoin would really go up in the immediate is it would need to sustain above that daily VWAP high. If not, obviously, it would pull back, right? So does not sustain above the daily VWAP high, essentially just creates more resistance. So most likely thing we see here is market is going to pull back down into that blue box on the bottom. Again, that's most likely what's going to happen. And then ultimately, if we do not, again, hold support in that blue box, then the market will most likely stop out that long, and then you see the market trade back to this low. So again, what we have here is this established low, more resistance at our current daily VWAP, where we said we had to break out, didn't break out, so now you're having resistance. So ultimately, you still have the market and the volume trapped in between this hoop move here, that high, and this dip that was created there, right? So now it's going to be a game of essentially stopping out this low, and the market then goes to here, all right? And or market would have to support, get back over the daily VWAP high, and then we run up again. All right, so I know that's a lot to take in, and it's not necessarily easy to follow the markets all day long, every day, and so on and so forth, and understand this stuff maybe quite as fast as someone like I. That's okay. But ultimately, what I want to emphasize is that we are not long bias the Bitcoin market for the long term anymore. Long term we are, but ultimately we are now bearish the market. We assume that this top around 125,000 could very well be the top. For the past 3 years, we've been expecting that in this October of 2025, September 2025, August, kind of in the end of this summer into October, November, we were going to go enter a bear market on Bitcoin. And that bear market could last for, a year plus. So we're not long bias Bitcoin for the long term. We're actually bearish. But what we're showing in these shorts is short-term analysis, trade ideas, and trade setups while in a what we believe to be long-term bearish move for the next year plus. All right, have a good one.